welcome back to my channel, and today's video is my skin update on 1mm derma rolling. Okay, so as you know, if you watched my previous videos, I have tried a 0.5 needle for 3 months, and then I took a break from derma rolling completely for a month to see if it made a difference, and I did feel like my indentations kind of came back, or they were just still visible. And what I did this month was I tried 1mm roller. I didn't use BASELIFT this month because BASELIFT only goes to 0.5, so I went with Glam Girl Cosmetics. Okay, so they are a very similar company. They make dermarollers and things like that. The reason why I wanted to try 1mm because I felt like the 0.5 needle did a great job, but I wanted to see if a deeper needle made more of a difference. Okay, so before we go any further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section below about what rollers you're trying, or what you've tried for your indentation or acne scarring, or if you're on Accutane and you want some advice. Comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. As you may know, if you watched a couple of videos back, I was hacked and my Instagram is completely lost. I had to remake it, so I've only got like 200 followers when I was on over 800. So please guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will do lots of question and answers, and I communicate with you on there. And if you leave comments on here, I always reply as well. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description box below, but also I'll put my name up here or here somewhere on the screen. Okay, so with the Glam Glow Cosmetics, the one that I bought was kind of 3-in-1, which I quite liked. It was a 0.5. It is a 1mm, and then this one is a 1.5 for the body. Okay, so you can just change the heads, although I do find changing the heads is quite tough, and then you end up kind of scratching your skin with the needle. So it's kind of, in theory, a great idea, but I did catch my skin a few times when I was trying to turn it around. And I like the bottom here, it's got this tub. What I like to use this little tub for is putting the alcohol in there to clean the rollers, and the roller can stand in there while it cleans. So you've got like 3-in-1. You can use the 0.5 on your eyes, under your eyes area, okay? But again, I don't know about that. I personally think 0.3 is okay for the under eye area. The 0.5 I think is too big. I think that's okay for your skin, but under your eye it's very sensitive. So I did try to use that around my nose because I found that easier to go on my nose with, because it's not as big and chunky as that. And the 1mm did hurt a little bit more than the 0.5. I had to ease my way into it, so I do my whole face, you know, vertical, horizontal, crisscross, and then I would build up again and press harder. So I do think it's a great product. I don't have a discount code for you. I'm not affiliated with them in any single way whatsoever. If you look on their Instagram, or you look at somebody reviewing one of their products, if you click on their website or their Instagram, they have discount codes. So that's the way I did. I kind of like snuck around Instagram and found a discount code, because I'm not made of money either, and I couldn't afford it really full price for that. I'm not sure how much it is, but I will put the Glow Girl Cosmetics link in the description box below, then you can have a look at yourself. But I don't have a discount code for it, but it is quite expensive. But I do like using a 1mm needle to obviously attack the indentation, but I don't think it is the safest needle to be doing at home yourself, so I wouldn't do it more than 3 months. So this is what my skin looks like after 1 month of derma rolling with 1mm derma roller. Because it's 1mm derma roller, I can only derma roll twice a week, so I have used it twice in a whole month, and I feel like I can see the difference for sure. Like, I'm gonna just zoom in, I'm gonna reduce the lighting so it's not as like rough. Okay, so I'm gonna just move slowly so you can see the indentation. My forehead looks okay. Sorry, I'm looking in the viewfinder, so I'm giving you the best impression. This is a horrible hormonal breakout. It's making me mad, but yeah, so you can see, I personally feel like the most difference I've seen is with the 1mm derma roller. However, because it's such a deep needle that triggers the collagen, I would only do this for 3 months, and then I would go back to the 0.5 needle to keep and upkeep. So just a disclaimer, I'm not a medical professional, okay? I'm talking from my experience of using the DERMAROLLER and what suits my skin best. They do recommend if you use a 0.5mm roller, use it every 2 weeks or every week if your skin can take it. My skin can take it every single week on the 0.5mm roller. However, if your skin is sensitive or if you've got thin skin or whatever it may be, I would recommend using it every 2 weeks, okay? My skin is okay with me doing it every week. I don't see any breakouts, and I think my skin repairs in that time quite well. So that's why for the 0.1 needle, I have made sure I've left 2 weeks gap between each one, so my skin is healing, and I definitely feel like I can see the difference. I'm going to carry on with the 0.1 needle for another 2 months, and then I'm going to go back to the 0.5 needle, because I do think the 1mm needle is very thick and is very deep, and again, you've got to make sure you're being very hygienic, and you've got to be very sterile and really careful with it, because you don't want to cut your skin, make it septic, cause more breakouts. You don't want to do such thing. Like if you've got acne that's live, like here I had very live spots here. This has only been a week, so I'm not dermarolled. I am going to dermaroll tonight though. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to avoid this area. Do not go over the area where you have live spots, okay? Do not do that, because just imagine, you can imagine it visually, like the needle puncturing the spot and then rolling and spreading it down. Like you're just going to spread the spots and you're going to infect your needles and you can't use them again, okay? So wherever I have, like, I don't have any live spots here. I think I've got it a little bit there in the corner. Wherever I've got live spots, I won't dermaroll over. Simple as that. So if you've got live acne, I definitely wouldn't recommend you using it at all. But even if you've got hormonal acne, just dermaroll around the acne, because I feel like it is on my cheeks, my main indentation. However, if there is a spot, I do avoid it. So yeah, the reason why I definitely would recommend 1mm is if you've got deeper scarring. However, I do recommend that you are regularly exfoliating as well, because if you don't regularly exfoliate with the DERMAROLLER, then your skin will just sit on top and it'll just sit there, cause more bacteria, and then spots will come again. So you need to make sure you are shedding the layer off, because your skin will start to get dry and flaky with the DERMAROLLER. So you need to make sure once you dermaroll, give it 2-3 days and then use a light exfoliant. The one I like to use is a glycolic scrub by Nip and Fab. I did a whole Nip and Fab review because I went crazy and bought loads of their products. I will link it here and in the description box so you can see which products that I bought. I brought different ranges from Nip and Fab, and then you can see which one's the best for you. So definitely recommend exfoliating lightly when you're dermarolling to get rid of the indentation and the dead skin cells as well. However, I feel like after this 3 months that I'm using the 1mm, if I don't see a difference, I'm probably gonna go to professional, see if I can get a laser, see if I can just carry on with my 0.5. I've not quite decided. If you've personally got acne indentation that you have dealt with in a different way, like if you've used a deeper derma needle roller with the professional, then let me know in the description box below. One of you kindly actually followed me on Instagram and messaged me about what you've done yourself and then recommended to me what I could do. And that's what I absolutely love about the YouTube and Instagram community, is that we can talk to each other and we can help each other out, because that's the main reason I do these videos, is to give you honest reviews and to give you some help on what products to buy. But also I need some recommendations myself, because I'm trying these products out for my skin too. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you on your decision with dermarolling, what to do next, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.